Taurus, welcome to your October reading, October 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising Signs and Venus Signs. General reading, as always, take what mostly speaks, connects and resonates, and of course leave what doesn't. As well, Taurus, this month we are changing a little bit the course of the reading, and we'll start with your finances, with your career, money, this energy-wise. We'll move into your relationships, loves, whoever you're dealing, what is there in regards your heart. And we'll conclude the reading with messages from the spirit or an advice. Sounds great? Yes, let's begin. Always know, general readings might highly resonate with you, might highly do not. Be mindful what you are about to take from these readings, but know that never ever we are sugarcoating the readings. Everything what's coming through is shared with you, and there's no be judging. I'm just the vessels bringing you these messages in. Taurus, goodness. All right, there is some sort of change which is quite big. If you play lottery, for some of you, you might feel the lucky one. Whatsoever, I feel here, yes, you expect to have good people around you, but I don't feel here there's all great people out there. You don't see it. There is somebody here around you. Use your kindness for weakness, or try to use you, whatever it is. Be very mindful how much you keep that person next to you, or how big distance or short distance is between you two. Whatsoever, I'm feeling here there is something new coming in. For some of you, there is a good financial month, and if you plan to make a good purchase or a big purchase or a bigger purchase than normally, I will recommend for you to do it the second part of the month. Why I'm saying that? If it's something new you want to do, don't do it in retrograde. There are delays or there could be setbacks, so you don't want to do that. If you expect certain things here from something, be careful. Also, I'm feeling here there is a trickster around you, so be careful about it. Whatsoever, if it's a job situation, there's somebody here wants to steal your job or want to take credit for it. Don't dwell in it. Again, be careful who you are keeping around you, or whoever you are telling you your thoughts or your fears, your things, because somebody here just wait the moment. And there are kind of these people who just wait for the moment to attack. So don't let them displeasure. Do what is right for you. But let's hear what the spirit and the tarot speaks to you, Taurus. There is a lot of confusion, but I feel here there's a lot of blessings coming as well for Taurus. Good changes. Be mindful how you are using these changes. Nine of Swords, a lot of thoughts in your head. And Queen of Wands. And Three of Swords. It seems here to me that somebody here is acting off a little bit. This is you. You might have fire in the chart, but I'm feeling here with the Temperance, Archangel Michael here, being patient and know that you are protected. That's the way to go. And as well, the Archangel Michael here, the Angel Temperance, is about to balance yin and yang. Balance whatever you do in life. Four of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, King of Cups, and the Hierophant. Goodness. Again, Taurus, I'm feeling here your energy here is very, very strong. Whatsoever, I feel here going somewhere quite quick or fairly quick, it's not worth it. Also, don't celebrate before you have to do something. Get that thing. It's kind of like don't trade the bird from your hands for the one who flies. You might not get it. So be patient till you get the thing in your hands and then move forward. Okay, because there is somebody here who might not really be happy for you or in regards to your energy. Choose wisely, whatever it is. Again, the slow movement, the better. Knight of Pentacles, Three of Cups. Again, I feel here there's something here you want to celebrate. Feels great. Oh, awesome. But there is something here, an awakening moment for you to pay attention. You have it, you know it. Okay? Ace of Cups. For some of you, there is a big opportunity for something new. Unless you get it, unless you have it, don't reveal it to anybody. As well, if you work on a project or you want to buy something, you want to, whatever you want to do this month, don't reveal it unless you made it. Period. Okay? Period. I feel here there is some documents to be signed this month. I will say read and reread the script. Whatsoever, this is your future energy, Hierophant, which is a stable energy coming in. So, but I feel here there is somebody here who acts up around you. Or if you are asking an advice from somebody, okay, and it's kind of asking an advice and that person's like, oh, why you need this, da, da, da. And you gotta try to prove them or say them, you know, because of this, because of that. What I will say here is take your time. And that person might be even from your family or for immediate, you know, presence. Yes, I feel here there is something here that you gotta understand that sometimes there are things here that might not work for others, but they are perfectly working for you. So pay attention to that. As well, follow your heart, most likely, and see honestly what is good for you. Because I feel here in a matter of months, maximum 2, this is happening. Okay? And high honor here, it speaks very strong that you will get it right. But what you expect from others might not be great. Okay? Always doing the right thing, or the thing feels close to your heart, is your best. And the way to go is towards your intuition. Okay? Love-wise, Taurus, let's see. What do we have for you? What I got through my meditation regards your case, which sometimes I get for some zodiac signs, sometimes I don't. But specifically for your zodiac, I got, you will have a meeting with somebody, a strong communication with somebody. It's more likely a heart-to-heart conversation, like meeting with them and talk real stuff. Let's see. Express your love, wedding, codependency, and let go of control issues. Stay optimistic about your love life. There is somebody here that you want them, but there is certain things which you feel like might not go the way it needs to. Yes, take it slow, be easier on the connection, but always trust your intuition. Whatever and whoever has certain addictions, see how they work on them, or if they work on them, then move forward. Okay, loves, let's see. For some of you, you might deal with somebody who is in another connection You might want them, but they might not be the right person for you. So be careful. Be careful to not waste precious time and later on to feel like I could spend this beautiful time with somebody who is valuable. Taurus, an overarching energy from the Tarot and Spirit. Again, Queen of Wands, Six of Cups, and Tower. Somebody here is coming back to you. It's more likely over the sudden they're coming. Or there's something here is revealing to you and feels like a surprise. I don't feel you see this. Eight of Swords. Let's see. Nine of Cups. Six of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. And Seven of Cups. There's something here like, yes, you could deal here with a Scorpio or a fire sign. Water or fire. The thing here, what I'm saying here, there is something here which comes up to you. Or into the energy. You could deal already with somebody, but there is something here you don't see, or you didn't know about this person. You know, you could be married with somebody for a long time or in a relationship with somebody, and over the sudden there is a secret coming up from their past, and you're just like, what was this? I've been for such a long time, and now comes. There's something here, again, you don't see it, that is coming, and then you will question yourself about this person or what you want with this person. For some of you, you are engaged with this person. You might want to marry with them, and whatever it's coming here with this Tower, as you don't expect it, it will take you by surprise. Whatever it's coming, this is something here from their past, or there's something here this person is telling you. Again, I don't feel here you are expecting it. Eight of Swords, Ace of Wands, Two of Cups, and Four of Cups. Yeah, I feel here there's something here that you are not quite expecting. For some of you, yes, there is a person who comes from your past, taking you off guard, want to make it right. They might even say that I love you, I offer you something, but there's something here you not feel like. Six of Cups, Justice. Balance. There's certain things here you might want to balance. If you waited for somebody here to come to their senses, they are there. Okay? If somebody here comes back and they telling you, hey, I overcome this and that, yes, they might do that. Let's see, the Tower. Fool, Page of Swords, and Ten of Cups. This person is your Ten of Cups. I feel here they do love you. You might not give them any more attention, or they needed to change certain things. You might feel here, oh, I don't care about them, or I don't feel ever they will come. If you keep an eye on them, and the Taurus I'm speaking, you might have air in your chart. Even you are not been with this person, I feel here now you feel like, wow. Seven of Cups, Sun. You might be a little overwhelmed. I don't know how I feel. It's kind of, I don't know how to feel. Should I be happy about it? Whatever is happening this month, you'll be in a state of cloudy, clear, cloudy. I know what I want. I don't know what I want. One more card. High Priestess. Follow your intuition, my loves. What I'm hearing here for some of you, if you've been dealing here with somebody here mysterious, you might find out that they could have a child they never told you. And they could have a child when they were very fairly young. There's somebody here who either you meet or either you know for quite a while, you are thinking for to be the one. Because I'm feeling here there's a Taurus here who thinks of somebody. It's kind of this is the one. There is secrets here that you find about them. And feels like quite like, what? I never expect them to be this way. But I'm feeling here, whoever is this person, you highly thinking of them. Other thing here, what I'm seeing, that this person might done big mistakes when they were fairly young. Okay? But they changed. There's somebody here changed a lot. Okay. All right. Taurus. Let's see. As you see here, let go of control issues. We have a man right here, and we have a lady with a child, and we have the angels. So there is something here which will put you to think quite a lot. Regards whatever you are dealing or who you are dealing. Miracles. Expect the wonders to emerge. Yeah, I feel here there is a wish fulfillment for a Taurus this month. Crossing bridges. It's time for healing, connecting, mending, and releasing. There's a lot of things here purged, moved on from. Especially from the new moon to the full moon. As you see here, we have the new moon and we have the full moon. During this time frame, journey by moonlight, believe in magic again. Goodness. And traveling lightly, simplify your life. Take it easy, whatever it is. And solitude here, in silence peace prevails. Whatever decision here you are gonna do, follow your intuition, follow the inner voice you have, or whatever speaks to you most likely. So Taurus, love and light. And if you really enjoyed this reading, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And as well, your feedback is always appreciated. Many blessings. Namaste.